Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto guide series. Today, we're diving into how to buy USDT on Changelly, full guide for 2025. If you're new to crypto, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. Changelly is a fast and user-friendly platform that lets you buy, sell, and swap cryptos easily. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you set up in no time. First, head to the Changelly website. It's simple and secure. Start by creating an account. Just enter your email, set a strong password, and verify your email address. For better security, enable two-factor authentication right away. It's a must in the crypto world to protect your funds. Once you're logged in, you'll need to verify your identity. This step is quick and usually involves uploading some ID, like a passport or driver's license. It's required for most exchanges to comply with regulations and ensure safe transactions. Now, navigate to the Buy Crypto section on the dashboard. Here, select USDT as your desired cryptocurrency. You'll see a variety of payment options, such as credit card, bank transfer, or even other cryptos if you already hold some. Pick the one that works best for you. Then enter the amount you want to buy. Double-check the exchange rate and any fees. Changelly is known for competitive rates, but it's always smart to review them. Once you're ready, confirm your purchase and follow the prompts to complete the payment. Your USDT should appear in your Changelly wallet shortly after. Finally, for extra security, transfer your USDT to a personal wallet like MetaMask or Ledger as soon as possible. Don't leave your assets on the exchange longer than necessary. It's a key rule in crypto to avoid risks. And there you have it. You've just bought USDT on Changelly in 2025. This guide keeps things straightforward, but if you run into any issues, check Changelly's support or drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.